The Monoprice Voxel 3D printer is a compact, fully enclosed FDM machine designed for ease of use, reliability, and beginner-friendly operation. With smart automation features, a removable build plate, and wireless connectivity, it's a great choice for home users, students, and entry-level creators. Fully enclosed design for safety and stability. The Voxel comes with a fully enclosed body that helps maintain a stable internal temperature during printing. This improves print quality, reduces warping, and makes it safer for home or classroom environments. Removable heated flexible build plate. The printer features a heated build plate up to 60 degrees that is both flexible and removable. Once printing is complete, users can simply remove and bend the plate to easily release models. This makes post-processing quick and hassle-free. Quick change nozzle system. Unlike many traditional printers, the Voxel includes a tool-free quick change nozzle. Users can swap nozzles in seconds without any tools, saving time and simplifying maintenance. Auto leveling and a ready-to-use setup. The printer arrives pre-calibrated and includes an auto leveling system. This ensures a perfect first layer with minimal setup, making it ideal for beginners who want a plug-and-play experience. Auto filament feeding with sensor loading. Filament is simple with the automatic feeding system. Just insert the filament and select the option on the touchscreen. The built-in filament sensor also detects when filament runs low and pauses the print until it is reloaded. Touchscreen interface for easy control. A full-color touchscreen allows users to control all printer functions easily. From loading filament to starting prints, the interface is intuitive and beginner-friendly. Wi-Fi connectivity and 8 GB storage. The Voxel supports Wi-Fi printing and includes 8 GB of internal storage, allowing users to send and store print files conveniently. This adds flexibility for remote printing and managing multiple projects. Compact build volume, 150 millimeters. With a build size of 150 millimeters, the printer is perfect for small to medium-sized models. Its compact design makes it suitable for desks, classrooms, or small workspaces. Overall, the Monoprice Voxel 3D printer is a reliable and easy-to-use machine that focuses on convenience and simplicity. It's an excellent option for beginners, students, and casual users who want a hassle-free 3D printing experience with useful smart features.